Hi guys, this is Gadget Gal 38. I'm going to try to install the skin for my HTC Touch Pro Ultra version. I'm going to try it. Okay guys? Okay, here goes. Oh wow. That's how it look, guys. Okay, this is the back part. Okay. I'm gonna take this stuff off. I'm sorry if I'm not talking. I'm just trying to concentrate. Put that right there. Turn it around so you can see it. Hey guys. Look. That looks good. That's the back part, guys. North Carolina. Go Heels! It says Skinit right here. Okay, let's flip this over. Let's get the front part. Okay, guys. This part comes out. Guys, just bear with me. I think this is my first installation. And guys, if you need to do it over and over again, I'm pretty sure that you can. Because you need to, get it on there perfect. So with this special kind of taping they got, we should be able to do it as many times as needed. Well, the front part is tricky, guys. It's tricky, and I'm trying not to stretch it. Don't want it stretched. And I don't want it crooked either. Okay guys, that looks good. Let's put on this bottom piece. Trying to get it off the paper, guys. Here we go. Trying to get on this, around this circle as I can. That looks pretty good, guys. Okay guys, just gotta work it in. There it is, guys. That looks good. Wow, that looks nice, guys. That's the RAM right there. Nice. That's the back. Wow, that looks good. I like that. My dad is gonna love his. There you go. Okay guys, this is Gadget Gal 38. Go to skinit.com and get your skin. Alright guys, I'm signing out. Thanks.